guys, my new best friends. Today we are in a cafeteria. This is Ishi baby. Ishi baby, say hi. Ishi baby. And another girl, another two boys I have, and one small girl. Gary is him. Gary, say hi. Lol. Lol, not lol. Stop telling lol. What is lol means? Finish up. And this is my baby Ishi. And all the mothers are drinking pineapple juice. You want to see? I want to drink pineapple juice. Oh, yes. Ayushri is my cheese. And just okay, that was my friend. Hello, dear Shivi. Okay. Okay. Now let's drink. It's very yucky. It's very yucky. And also freezing. And the tastes like lemon. Yo. Hello. Hello, this is my Gary friend, best friend. Hello, guys. Hello. He's pushing me. And I'm drinking juice. Okay. Now video is over.